As network transmission rates and technologies evolve, your fiber plant is a key component to enable next generation networks. How well do you know your fiber and its ability to support modern transport platforms? Hi, I'm Mark Lusinger, Implementation Product Manager with Sienna Services. Your fiber plant faces constant changes with time, repairs, patches, etc., all of which can degrade or limit the performance of your network. Whether you are augmenting existing or deploying new next generation networks, Sienna recommends you first verify your outside plant fiber by conducting fiber characterization. Unchecked fiber issues will lead to increased costs during deployment, resulting in delays from troubleshooting, identifying, and remediating fiber problems affecting equipment performance. Additionally, fiber characterization testing confirms if the fiber plant can support the network design and allows for a timely and efficient deployment. There are two key components of testing. One, analyzing the physical fiber and its connections. Two, verifying the optical dispersion characteristics. Physical testing and analysis looks at the quality of the fiber segments and the connections to identify any subpar performance issues that require remediation. Tests to check the physical performance include bidirectional OTDR measurements, insertion loss measurements, and optical return loss measurements. Optical dispersion testing identifies and validates the optical dispersion characteristics of the end-to-end fiber span. Optical dispersion tests include polarization mode dispersion and chromatic dispersion. This testing data is used by Sienna's design and insight tools to deliver the maximum performance capabilities over segments of both new and existing outside plant fiber.